What if I told you that you can become a Hafiz of the Quran without a madrasa, without a teacher, and even if no one around you supports you? Most people don't actually fail at Hifdh. They just don't know how to stay consistent. So if you're someone balancing studies, hiding your journey, or feeling completely lost about where to begin, then stay with me till the end. Because this might genuinely change everything for you. Let me be honest with you. This journey is not easy. There will be days when you read the same ayah 10 times and still forget it the next day. Days when your heart wants it so badly, but your mind just feels tired. And maybe you're doing all of this silently. No one checking your progress, no one motivating you, no one even knowing what you're trying to achieve. But listen carefully. Every ayah you whisper, every time you try again after failing, Allah sees it. Your journey may be hidden from people, but it is never hidden from Allah. Before anything else, fix your intention. Ask yourself honestly, why do I want to do this? Not for validation, not for social media, not for praise, but for Allah alone. Because when your niyyah is pure, Allah puts barakah in your time, your memory, and your entire journey. And always remember this, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to do too much too fast. Instead, keep it simple and realistic. Start by sticking to one mushaf and don't keep changing it bits, because over time your eyes will begin to memorize the placement of the ayahs. Start small, even if it's just 3 to 5 lines or even a single ayah. It might feel slow, but consistency matters so much more than quantity. When you memorize, follow a simple method. Read the ayah multiple times while looking, then close the Quran and try to recall it and repeat this process until it flows naturally. Along with that, make listening a daily habit. Listen to recitations while walking, resting, or before sleeping because your mind absorbs more than you realize. And most importantly, focus on revision more than memorization. If you memorize 1 page, you should be revising at least 3 to 5 pages because without revision, you will slowly lose what you worked so hard to learn. If you don't have a teacher, don't feel discouraged. We live in a time where help is literally in your hands. Use Quran apps with repeat features, word-by-word translations, and tajweed tools, and one of the most powerful things you can do is record your own recitation. When you listen back to yourself, you'll notice mistakes you didn't even realize while reading. And if possible, try to recite to someone you trust at least once a week, even if it's just a friend or a sibling. As you go through this journey, there are a few things you should always keep in mind. Be consistent, even if it feels like you're doing very little. Make dua every single day for your Hifdh. Try to fix a specific time, like after Fajr or before sleeping, and build a routine around it. And don't just memorize with your mind, connect with the Quran emotionally as well. At the same time, avoid rushing just to finish quickly. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Never skip revision. And don't let one bad day make you feel like you've failed. Bad days don't mean a bad journey. They just mean you're human. And let's be real for a moment. Consistency is the hardest part. Some days you'll feel motivated and excited, and other days you won't even feel like opening the Quran. On those days, don't aim for something big. Just show up. Even if you only revise 1 ayah, it still counts. Because small steps done every single day will take you much further than motivation that comes and goes. To the one watching this quietly, maybe no one knows about your journey. Maybe no one is supporting you. Maybe you feel completely alone in this. But Allah knows. And one day when you complete your Hifdh, it won't just be an achievement. It will be a story of patience, tears, and strength that no one saw except Him. I'm making dua for you. May Allah make you among the people of the Quran. Ameen. And if this touched your heart, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. And keep me in your duas too.